graph also is pretty self-explanatory. So let's go to pricing. This is this is a simpler version of the comparison plan. Let's say you have like, you don't want to show comparison, but if just want to add some pricing to your page, so you will go and you will add a pricing like this. It is much simpler, and you can have different features in all the plans compared to the comparison plan, in which you compare features. In this you can type different features per plan. So I'll say like free plan is for $0 month, and then I'll say free plan feature, and I'll just repeat this few times, and then I can add a link. I'll say free sign up, and now I'll just duplicate this. I'll press Control D, and now I have this paid plan, and this would be obviously for some price. And then you can say, and then you will change the button, and you will say buy now. And now you have like has like a lot of styles you can choose from. Like there are almost like 50 different styles to choose from, and most of them are very mobile friendly, so you can be sure that it will also look good on a mobile phone. And there are like lots and lots of styles you can choose from. And the best part is you don't have to re-enter this data whenever. You can choose like from different styles. So this is how it works. You can create as many, like if you want, you can create one more plan, say power plan, and it's like you can add as many plans as you want.